Welcome to War India News Hour. A recent report reveals that over 90% of Indian organizations will adopt agentic AI within the next 12 months. Currently, 40% have implemented AI agents, while 50% are planning adoption, signaling a shift from experimentation to enterprise wide AI deployment. Today, we will understand this shift in detail, but before that, let us first take a look at today's headlines. ITI Limited to announce AI-based road safety project in Uttar Pradesh. ITI Limited is launching a first-of-its-kind AI-powered road safety project in UP. In partnership with tech firm Mlogica, this project aims to reduce road accidents and improve traffic enforcement using artificial intelligence and big data analytics. The pilot will gather and analyze data from various sources such as traffic flow, weather, and road conditions. Accident data and road layout will also be there. This data will help identify accident-prone areas, understand what causes crashes, and offer real-time risk predictions. Must Starlink to store all Indian user data domestically. The government confirmed in Parliament that Elon Musk Starlink will store all Indian user data, traffic, and related details within the country without replicating any of it to servers abroad. The Department of Telecommunications has granted a unified license to Starlink Satellite Communications Private Limited after the company accepted all stipulated terms, including strict security conditions. The satellite internet provider is now preparing to launch its affordable services in India. Reliance officially writes off $200 million investment in Dunzo. Reliance Industries has officially written off its entire $200 billion investment in Dunzo. The investment was made by Reliance Retail Ventures in early 2022 and gave it a 25.8% stake in the now defunct quick commerce platform. On January 13, 2025, the Dunzo app and website went offline after the exit of its last remaining co-founder and CEO Kabir Biswas, who has since joined Flipkart to lead its quick commerce unit Minutes. Despite raising over $450 million, Dunzo faced severe financial trouble. Bharat Gen AI to cover all 22 scheduled Indian languages by 2026. Government-backed national initiative to create sovereign foundational AI models for Indian languages, Bharat Gen will cover all 22 scheduled Indian languages by June 2026. Currently, the models span 9 languages: Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali, Punjabi, Gujarati, Telugu, and Kannada. The roadmap sets a milestone of expanding coverage to 15 more languages, including Assamese, Maithili, Nepali, Oriya, Sanskrit, and Sindhi by December 2025, before completing the list in mid-2026. Microsoft Copilot users get free access to GPT-5. After OpenAI officially unveiled GPT-5 models, Microsoft has announced that Copilot is now getting GPT-5 treatment via its new smart mode. Apart from the tech giant's AI chatbot, GPT-5 will also be powering other Copilot tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot, Azure AI Foundry, and GitHub Copilot. Bringing GPT-5 to Microsoft 365 Copilot and Copilot Studio on the day of its release reflects the company's broader dedication to enabling its customers to stay cutting edge. India's AI spending is expected to reach $10.4 billion by 2028, growing at a 38% CAGR. This surge is driven by digital infrastructure expansion, a tech-savvy workforce, and government-backed initiatives. Key industries such as manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and life sciences are leveraging agentic AI to boost productivity, personalize customer engagement by 59%, and enhance risk detection by 57%. However, challenges remain: a shortage of skilled IT professionals by 53%, data security concerns 47%, and ethical issues by 47% hinder adoption. Despite this, businesses are willing to pay a 50% premium for robust AI platforms, expecting up to 3x ROI. Agentic automation, which combines AI, RPA, and orchestration, is emerging as a critical enabler. Experts emphasize the need for strong governance, transparency, and risk management to ensure responsible deployment. For Indian enterprises, embracing agentic AI is now a strategic imperative to drive productivity, resilience, and growth in an uncertain future. On this positive note, we sign off for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India magazine. For more news and updates, you can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Stay tuned. Thank you.